Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Rupesh's channel, God's Particles. Let's start about most interesting galaxies. When you look up at the night sky, you might catch a glimpse of a galaxy. But what's really out there? How many galaxies are there? There are about as many galaxies in space as there are stars in our own galaxy. That is, there are hundreds of billions of galaxies in the universe. It would take an average person over 200 million years to count them all. And that's just counting one galaxy at a time. There are probably more than 10 times that number. Galaxies come in all shapes and sizes. Some are small and faint, while others are huge and bright. Some contain ancient stars, while others have new ones forming right now. In this video, we'll take a look at some amazing galaxies in space. The Sombrero Galaxy is the most famous member of a group of galaxies that are called elliptical galaxies. Elliptical galaxies are not spiral like our own galaxy, the Milky Way. They are round and feature relatively few stars. Instead, they contain lots of gas and dust that can be seen in optical telescopes as dark lanes and blotches. It was discovered on May 11, 1781 by Pierre McCain, who described the object in a May 1783 letter to J. Bernoulli that was later published in the Berliner Astronomisches Jahrbuch. Sombrero is a beautiful spiral galaxy that has been nicknamed the Mexican Hat Galaxy. It is located about 31.1 million light-years away from us, making it one of the closest large galaxies to our own. And also located in the Virgo constellation and is one of the largest galaxies in the Virgo cluster. It has a diameter similar to that of our own galaxy at 120,000 light-years across, but has far fewer stars than any other galaxy we know about, only about 10 million compared to 100 billion in the Milky Way. The galaxy has a diameter of 49,000 light-years, which makes it one of the largest galaxies in our vicinity. It is part of a group called the Virgo cluster and has an estimated 100 billion stars within it. It is about 60,000 light-years across, which makes it about half as big as our Milky Way galaxy. It has an estimated mass of over 100 billion solar masses, that's 100 million times the mass of our Sun. This galaxy is one of the most brilliant galaxies in the universe. It has a big, bright bulge and a disk that's full of gas and dust. The galaxy is tilted so that we see it side-on, giving us a great look at its beautiful spiral structure. One of these galaxies is the Black Eye Galaxy. It is called Black Eye Galaxy because it looks like someone punched a hole in the sky and left a black eye behind. And Black Eye Galaxy is also called Sleeping Beauty Galaxy or Evil Eye Galaxy and designated Messier 64 M64 or NGC 4826, which sits about 24.01 million light-years from our planet and is home to around 100 billion stars. That's a lot. Because we can't see it with our eyes, NASA has created an image using infrared light so we can see what this galaxy looks like. Black Eye Galaxy has another nickname, NGC 4826, and it's also sometimes called NGC 4833 or ARP 89. It was discovered by Edward Pigott in March 1779, and independently by Johann Elert Bode in April of the same year, as well as by Charles Messier the next year. The majority of stars in this galaxy are red giants, but there are some blue giants as well. The center of Black Eye Galaxy has an active black hole that emits high-energy particles and jets of material at speeds up to 1,000 kilometers per second. It has an estimated diameter of 52,962 light-years. You can view it by using a small telescope and you can find the Black Eye Galaxy in the northern section of the Coma Berenices constellation. It was formed as a result of the collision of two unknown galaxies. Whirlpool is a distant galaxy, full of stars and gas. It is a spiral galaxy that has a supermassive black hole at its heart. In fact, the Milky Way's supermassive black hole is 1,000 times smaller than that of the Whirlpool Galaxy. This spiral galaxy has a supermassive black hole at its center and has been studied for over 100 years. It is a spiral galaxy located in the constellation Canes Venatici. It was named by astronomer Lewis Swift, who described it as a remarkable object. It is part of a group called the M51 group, which also includes Messier 51, NGC 5194, NGC 5195, NGC 5196 and NGC 5198. Most of its stars are old and red, but it does have some young blue stars as well. It is approximately 28 million light-years away from Earth. It also has a supermassive black hole at its center that contains about 1 billion solar masses. Whirlpool Galaxy's disk is about 650 light-years across and rotates at about 100 kilometers per second. In fact, according to the Hubble Space Telescope, it's one of the most beautiful galaxies in the sky. It's also one of the largest known galaxies, with an estimated mass of 160 billion solar masses, or around 10.3% of the mass of our galaxy Milky Way. It was discovered in 1773 by Charles Messier and was later named for its swirling arms by Sir William Herschel. It lies in the direction of Canis Venatici, which means hunting dogs. The name comes from its appearance as two dogs chasing each other around a pole star, which we call Polaris here on Earth. The dogs are represented by two bright stars, NGC 5195, Sirius, and NGC 5194, Antares. So if you're ever looking up at night and see a bunch of tiny dots moving around like they're playing tag or something, chances are good that those dots will be part of our stellar neighbor, the Whirlpool Galaxy. The beautiful and mysterious occulting pair galaxy, what it is, what it means, and how you can experience it for yourself. Do you know what an occulting pair galaxy is? If you don't worry, I didn't either. Occulting pair galaxies are a type of galaxy in which two galaxies are in the process of colliding. If you're looking for something to look up at, you'll be able to see them easily. They look like two very close stars that seem to move together. It is a unique galaxy with two black holes at its center. It's also one of the largest galaxies in our universe. One of the black holes is massive and has been radiating for about 10 billion years. The other is smaller and less active. Both black holes have super strong magnetic fields that are pulling in matter from nearby stars, creating a ring of dust around them. As this matter swirls around these two black holes, it creates an impressive display that can be seen by telescopes on Earth. This event is called an occultation. The word occult means to hide or conceal, and it refers to how one star will hide behind another one when viewed from Earth. So when you see this occultation happening in space, you're seeing a star hiding behind another star or planet. NGC 1512 is a galaxy in the constellation Eridanus. It's about 160,000 light-years across, which is pretty big. It was discovered by French astronomer Nicolas Louis de Lacaille in 1751. It has a lot of stuff going on inside. It has an active galactic nucleus, AGN, which is where supermassive black holes are found. It also hosts a rich population of globular clusters, which are made up of old stars and orbiting gas. The gravitational pull of NGC 1512's core is so strong that it's pulling in material from its outer edges at high speeds, causing the galaxy to have a ring of gas around it. The universe is bigger than you think. The galaxy also has a ring system that's made up of dust and gas, which orbits around its center. The ring system extends to at least 1,000 times the radius of the Milky Way.